Good morning. We are in the Dominion, and we have a special treat for you. So we did this exclusion at this house a couple weeks ago for ringtail cats, and it's a tile roof house, pretty steep, kind of a pain in the butt. And we've had traps on the roof this whole time with a camera, and we do the 24/7 monitoring, and we've seen this ringtail cat 2 or 3 times just walk right by the traps. And so we've tried. normally we just use grape jelly for bait. And that usually works for most things. Skunks really love grape jelly. Raccoons really love grape jelly. Ringtail cats really love grape jelly. And so we always start with grape jelly. But this was not working for this guy. So we tried sardines, Vienna sausages, Spam. We tried so many different things. And he just kept walking right by the traps. And so last night, let me show you. We got him. So that is what you call a ringtail cat. They are a cousin to a raccoon. They have the same breeding habits. Their poop looks the same. Everything about them looks the same. They're both nocturnal. Everything about them is the same, except they look like a squirrel and a raccoon had a baby. Score. So I'm gonna get this guy out of here. We've got more traps set up here. We'll leave them. We've got the camera set up. We've got customer's camera. That's my camera. Back over there. So, oh, you hear them. Rawr. They growl like mountain lions. Rawr. All right, let's get him down. All right, well, we're gonna get this guy in the truck. Oh, sorry, I know that's really loud. We're gonna get this guy in the truck and then see what else happens. See you on the next one.